Hello friends, my name is Bhavsina and basically I am making a video on HCF and LCM and its trick that will help you a lot in your preparation of IAS RRB PO 2016 exam. So let us start by solving the questions which could help you a lot in your preparation. Question number 1. Find the HCF of 204 1190 then 1445. It is asking to find an HCF. Okay, there is one traditional approach of factorization. So in factorization, what we should do? 204 1190 divided by smallest number, that is by 2. Now 102 by 2, 51. Like it, you have to solve it. 73, 70. Okay, like it, you require to solve these things. Now there is another shortcut here. Okay, so what we are required to do? Put the maximum number, it is 1445 in the middle, divided by 1190. That is the second largest number. So it goes by 1 times 1190. 5, 2. Okay. Now this number will come here. 1190 divided by nearby 4 times 20. 5 multiplied by 4, 20 plus 2, 22. 2 carry in hand. 8 plus 4 multiplied by 2 is 8. 8 plus 2 is 10. So it will become 701. 170. So this thing will come here. 255 divided by 1 time 170. Remainder will be 585. Right? Divided by 170. This thing will come here. Like it, you have to carry on until you didn't get your until it didn't get cancelled. So it is 0. Okay, so this thing is gone. So your HCF is 85 for 200 for 190 and 1445. Now one number is pending here, so 204 put it here and divided by 85. Okay, so it will go by 2 times 5 to the 20, 16, 17, 4, 34, right? 85. So it will go by 2 times 8, 68, 7, 1. 17 is the remainder at 34. 2 times 34, 0. So 17 is the HCF of 1190, 204 and 1445. See, in this small fraction you could solve. But say if the HCF is like 1, 2, 4, 3, 2. 1, 2, 3, 1, 4. 2, 3, 5, 6. Here you can't do by factorization. It can't be solved by factorization. It will be time consuming. It is of course time consuming. So you don't apply factorization here. Go with this trick. It will help you out. In an easy way you could get your answer. So this question number came in. Now question number 2. Now let's solve question number 2. Find the LCM of 8, 12, 16, 32. This is the question. Find the LCM of 8, 12, 62 and 32. Very simple. Take 8, 12, 16, 32 as common. Okay, as a common. Divide by 2 times 4, 6, 8, 16. Once again divide by 2, 3, 4, 8. Divided until unless at least two numbers are divided by one common factor. 1, 3, 2, 4. Once again divide to 1, 3, 1, 2. This is the thing. So what's your answer? 2 multiplied by 3, or just take best way of solving like this. How much 2 is here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 2 multiplied by, that is 2 to the power 5. Okay. So of course you might be not knowing what is 2 to the power 5. So just solve like this. 2 multiplied by 2 is 4, 4 multiplied by 2 is 8, 8 multiplied by 2 is 16, 16 multiplied by 2 is 32, 32 multiplied by 3, that comes to what? 6, 9. So 96 is your answer. Okay, you know this thing. Question number 3. Okay, I hope you got the method. Question number 3. Find the SCF and LCM of 8, 12. Sorry. Of 2/5, 6/25, 8/25. So this is a question. It is asking find the SCF and LCM of 2/5, 6/25, 8/25. Like it. Now how to solve this question? Please be considered here. So whenever it's a fraction of SCF of fraction, so it will become SCF divided by LCM. So whenever LCM of fraction is being asked, just reverse it. LCM by SCF. So we'll apply here SCF of, this is the formula. Okay, SCF of 2. Okay, so we will solve like this. This is the formula, you could make a note down of this thing. Now solving SCF. So it is asking SCF of 6, 2, 6, 8 divided by LCM of 5, 25, and this is 35 basically. Sorry, this is 35. 35. Solve it. So SCF is the smallest number, so 2 is the smallest, and every number is here even. 2 is even, 6 is even, 8 is even. So and in even number 2 is the smallest, so 2 will come here and divided by how much? 5, 25, 35. Take an LCM. 5 comes outside. 5, 1, 5, 7. 5 5 is 25. 25 multiplied by 7 is 175. So if you know the table to 30, it will help you along. So 5 multiplied by 5 is 25. 25 multiplied by 7 is 175. This is your SCF. Now come to the LCM part. So LCM of 2, 6, 8 divided by SCF of 5, 25 and 35. So LCM will be 2, 6, 8. Take an LCM. Divided by 2 times 3, 4. 2 multiplied by 4 is 8. 8 multiplied by 3 is 24. Whole divided by 5. It is asking the SCF highest number. Sorry, the number highest number which is common in all. So this is 5. So it will become 5. So I hope you got the solution of this thing. Okay. Now I think this is covered to you. Always use it trick, it will help you a lot. Now question number 4. Find the SCF and LCM of 4 to the power 7, 4 to the power 6, 4 to the power 5, 4 to the power 4. It is asking SCF. SCF is what thing? Common number. So So what is basically 4 to the power 7? It is 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Second is 4 to the power 7. Like it up to 6 times 4, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is the way. Okay. So point to be noted. Point. In case of SCF, lowest power. Consider lowest power. This is for if base is same. If base is same. Simple thing. Make it out. Lowest power if base is same. So all the base here is base is 4, 4, 4. Lowest power is 4 to the power. Lowest power if base is same. This is the lowest power 4 to the power 4. This is your answer. And for LCM, it will be the highest power if base is same. So highest power if base is same, highest power is 4 to the power 7 and base is same, of course everyone is 4. So this is the answer. Question number 5. Find the SCF and LCM of 2 to the power 3 multiplied by 5 square multiplied by 7. This is one number. Another number is 2 to the power 4 multiplied by 3 to the square multiplied by 5 multiplied by 7 square multiplied by 11. And another number is 2, 3 to the power 3 multiplied by 5 to the power 4. Coming to the SCF one. Lowest power, I already said lowest power, and common one, and common. So 2 to the power 3, 2 to the power 4, 2. So lowest power is 2. Okay, 3, 3, 3, but 3 only will be there. Multiply by 5 is there, 5 is here, and 5 is here. Okay, then only 5 will come. 7 is here, 7 is here, but 7 is not here. So up till this is your answer. Come to the LCM part. Highest power with no common. That means it doesn't consider common factor. So 2 to the power 4 is the highest here. This one. 3 to the power 3 is the highest here. 5 to the power 4 is highest here. 7 to the power 2 is highest here. Multiplied by 11. This is the answer given to you. I hope you got the answer. Now, question number 6. If SCF is equal to 11, LCM is equal to 7700, if their SCF is equal to 12, each 12, find is if first number is 275, second number is, it is asking that if first number is given to you as 275, it is asking second number, SCF is given, LCM is given. There is one formula, SCF multiplied by LCM, which is equal to first number multiplied by second number. This is the formula. Make note of it clearly. Okay, now SCF is how much? 11. LCM is 770. This is 275 multiplied by second number. Now the second number will be 11 multiplied by 770, 275. Cancel it. 2 times 25. Right? Cancel it. 5, 1, 2754. Yeah. Okay. So this is the thing. So it's given 7700. So I made a mistake here. It's 7700. So it will be 0. Now cancel it. 308. Number is 308. This is the second number. I hope you got the point. Okay. So it's nothing called as difficult. It's very easy. If SCF and LCM is given to you, first number is given to you, it is asking second number. It is the way to find out answer. Now, question number 7. Two numbers are 15:11. If their SCF is 12, find the LCM. Now, what is this saying to you? It is saying two numbers which are in the ratio of 15:11. This is the thing. And their SCF, okay, is how much? 12. So it is asking LCM to find out. How you will find out? Very easy. It's very easy. Basically, 15 multiply by 11 and multiply by 7. What happens? SCF means 15 multiply by 7. Then 11 multiply by 7. This is the thing. SCF is the common factor, right? So it will multiply with both. So we have taken the 7 common here. 15 one side and 11 one side. Now just multiply it. So 15 into 77. Just have a multiplication, nothing more than that. So 15 multiplied by 7 is how much? If you know the table, it will help you out. 105, right? So 10 carry in hand. 15 multiplied by 7 is 1705 plus 10 carry in hand. So it will become 115. So correct answer is LCM is 1155. So this is your answer. Okay. Now one more question is there. So question number 7 is there. If A, B, C starts a circular track rotation, A completes in 60 seconds, B in 30 seconds, C in 90 seconds. If they start from the same point, at what time will they meet? So this is a question given to you. At what time they will meet? So basically, ABC starts in a circular track. Okay, it is starting a circular track rotation. Okay, like this. Like this they are rotating. A completes in 60 seconds, B in 30 seconds, C in 90 seconds. If they start from the same point, at what time they will meet? So here we require to take the LCM. Why? Because it is asking at what time. Means common multiple. Means B that number which should be divided by 60, 30 and 90. So we will take an LCM 60, 30, 90. Divide it by 2 times 30, 15, 45. Divide by 3 times 10, 5, 9. Sorry, 10, 5, 15. Divide by 5 times 2, 1, 3. Now simply multiply. 2 multiplied by 3 is 6, 6 multiplied by 5 is 30, 30 multiplied by 6 is 180. So this is after 180 seconds they will meet. So this is the thing. I hope this has helped me a lot in learning SF LCM tricks. For more videos and for more detailed and all those things, detailed videos and all those things. Okay, so it is much more better. First thing is that subscribe the channel. First thing is to subscribe the channel. Okay. Second thing, and best is, because this video is only demo videos with this one. To buy, second thing is this, to buy the course. To buy course, we are having online to pen drive mode of course. Online to pen drive courses we are having. In online, starting from 2000 rupees, and in case of pen drive, it is starting from 2500 rupees. Okay, you could opt a course, and here the best thing is that I will guide you how to prepare full guidance. Okay, only for those who are my students. You will be my student until you didn't get a selection. Until you didn't get your selection. Okay. Until you didn't get a selection, you will be my student and no need to worry. An average is 3 months to 6 months. Normally, people used to get selection. Okay, so this is the thing. On an average, if you pick a random data, so nearly by 3 to 6 months, people used to get the selection. So no need to worry. I am here with you. I will cooperate with you. Full guidance only for those students who are being my students, because it is not possible to guide entire student. Not possible. And of course, so they are my paid members, so I have to look after them. Okay, and the best thing is that don't buy any book. You require to follow something. Please do not buy book. Please do not buy book. My videos are self-sufficient, are more than enough, are self-sufficient. Okay. So no need to worry. Solve plus my assignments. Just solve my assignments. Okay. Here you will find a question from 2010 to 2016. So it is being updated each and every day, updated. So no need to worry. Now for more information, visit website which is www.buybankpocourse.in, or you could call us 4 times 9 685 Another number is 7827546946, or you could send me an email INHA123@gmail.com. Okay. So no need to worry. I am here with you. Best thing is that for getting a selection matters nothing is known as guidance, and I am providing you guidance for the best selection. Thank you.